Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Noman Talks, and this video is going to be very helpful for you because in this video I have told you how you can make your LinkedIn profile from scratch, and at the end of this video I'll give you a bonus tip how to get more recruiter actions and how you can improve the SEO of your LinkedIn profile overall so that आपकी job applications and आपका profile search increase होता है. So let's get into the video and let me tell you all of this right away. So what you need to simply do is open linkedin.com, and from there what you can simply do is, so you have to enter your email address or mobile number with the help of which you will be able to log in into your account later, and a password. So for the reference of this video I am creating a LinkedIn profile of my younger brother. So I will put an email address, I will create a password, and I will click on agree and join. So what I have to do is I have to enter my first name and my last name. After that again I need to click on continue. There would be a verification security check. So after you have done the verification, what you need to do is you need to enter the OTP that has been sent to that particular email or that particular mobile number with the help of which you have registered on LinkedIn. So what I will do is I will simply put in the OTP here. So once you have done that, what will happen? You will have to select your region and the city in which you are currently living, right? So you can simply select your city from the drop down, and after that you have to tell what is your recent job title. So let's say अगर आप किसी job में engaged हो या फिर किसी भी तरह के internship को कर रहे हो, so you need to simply put the title here. Let's say for an example it can be executive of marketing, it can be HR intern or anything like that. So if you have not done any kind of internship or any kind of job, you can simply select I am a student. So you need to put in your school or university name. So first of all what we can do is we need to put our school name from where we have graduated at 10th and 12th, right? So after that what you need to do is you have to select the start date. Let's say आपने 12th कौन से year में किया? You have done your 12th in 2019 and 20, so you have to select that. Let's say 2019 and 2020. Continue. After that what you have to do is add an email address. So what I will do is add an email address here. So after you have added your email address, you need to confirm the OTP that has been sent to your email address. So after doing all of this was just like the basic step. After that what you need to achieve from the platform, you are looking for more connections, professional connections, you are looking for a job or whatever you're looking, you need to put it here, right? So this is the question, are you looking for a job? Yes, I am actively looking for a new job. Let's say you are looking for a job, so you need to click on that, right? So what kind of a job are you looking for? After that what you need to do is you need to select the location at which you are looking for a job. Whichever location is convenient for you, you can simply select that, and after that there has been a job alert that has been created for you. So what you need to simply do is you need to click on next for all these steps. After that you will reach to the home page of LinkedIn. So this is how the home page looks like. So the very first things that you are supposed to do, I'll tell you that. You need to simply click here and click on view profile. After coming here, you need to do two things at the first. You need to first upload a good professional picture of yours. It should not be a cool, funky, casual picture. It should be a professional or a formal photograph that you should upload. You can also upload your banner. So banner is basically a representation of what you do. It can be anything that you like, but it should be something professional, right? Then apart from that, what you need to do is you need to click here. You can go through the basic info that you have entered already. If you need to change that, you can simply change it from here. If you are currently working in any organization, you need to put it here, add new position, and you need to search for the company and add it here. So all these things are already done. After that what you need to do is you need to scroll down and see what are the things that you can put more. So education is something that we have not entered completely. So as you can see, I have just entered the intermediate education. So I need to add 10th, and at the same time I need to add a graduation degree if I have done it, right? So after putting in all the details, what you need to simply do is you need to connect with new people. Let's say you are looking for a marketing profile. So what you need to do is you need to go here and search for people who are into marketing, right? After you search for marketing, you need to click on people, right? So this is where the people come. These are the people who are working into an industry that you want to go in. Let's say अगर आप marketing profile में enter करना चाहते हो, so you want your contacts to be into the same field where you get better hirings, where you get better opportunities. It's not about connecting with anyone, it's about connecting with the right people. So what that will help. So that's how you can simply create a LinkedIn profile, and there are a lot of things that you need to update and you need to put in here. So you can fill all those informations by going into your profile and checking each and every section and filling out those details. It is very simple, anyone can do it, and you can also do it with the help of your mobile phone. So let me take you to my LinkedIn profile and show you how exactly you can complete your LinkedIn profile and how a LinkedIn profile should be. So starting out just with the profile picture, you should have a good professional profile picture that gives a clear view of how you look to the recruiter. That's it. And then you should have a good banner picture. It should basically explain something, either about something that you do or your, it can be anything. It can be how you think, it can be what you do, it can be anything about that, right? Apart from that, what I've done here is I have updated the title here. So this title can be anything. If you are a student, you can update what is your title there, or what you are doing right now. It is just like a one liner statement about who you actually are and what you are doing right now. If you are working somewhere and you are working there, let's say as a HR manager, you need to simply update HR manager at so and so company, things like that. As you scroll down here, what you can see that there are a couple of posts that I have featured and I have selected them myself. So these are the posts that I have selected to be featured on my profile. And as you scroll down, you will see the about section. So in the about section, what you need to simply do is explain yourself, explain your profile in a couple of words, like let's say 150 to 200 or maybe 300 words, and you need to keep it short, crisp, and the recruiter or anyone who sees your profile should get a fair understanding about yourself with the help of this about section. Then as you scroll down, you can see the experience part. You need to make sure that every section is completely filled with proper information, and while filling that information, also make sure that you put in keywords, you put in terms that are that will actually help you in ranking your profile in a organic way, right? Then next to that is experience, right? So experience, you can put in the experience of all the companies that you have worked with, or the company that you are currently working with, and in that particular company what are the skills that you are currently using. So let's say अगर मैं इसको edit करना चाहता हूँ, I'll just simply click here, and then this is the list of companies that I have worked with. And then let's say अगर मेरे को इसे edit करना है, then I need to simply click on this icon, and after that I need to scroll down. And if I need to change anything, let's say मेरे को location change करना है, company का नाम change करना है, I can do it simply from here. Then coming to the skills part. So any company you're working with, any organization you're working with, what are the current skills that are into place while you're working with that company? You need to put those skills here. So let's say for in this instance, for my company that I'm working with, the skills that I'm currently using is strategic planning, corporate communications, advertisement and things like that. So I have uploaded it here. Then you can simply save it and move on to the next part. So you need to make sure that all the things like I mentioned earlier, your experience, your information, your about section, and everything is completely fit. Apart from that, there is one thing that people usually don't focus on, but it's a really important thing, and it really gives you a leverage compared to any other candidate. So as you scroll down, what you can see here is there is this recommendation section, which I have actually kind of requested all of my previous colleagues, I can say. So what you need to simply do is ask. There is this button, you need to simply click on this, and there would be option ask for recommendation. And what you need to simply do is all the colleagues that you have worked with in the previous organization or probably in the current organization, you need to simply request them for a recommendation. What is a recommendation? So it is like how your colleagues, how your manager, and how everyone at the company tells who you are. So for an example, this is one of my colleague. I asked him for a recommendation and he wrote it down for me. So he wrote that it's great working with Noman, and confidently say that he's a high, and I can confidently say that he's a highly smart individual, so and so things. So recommendation actually gives you a lever when someone is going through your profile. Since recommendation are words from another people, recruiter actually tend to look at that and understand what kind of job history you have, how are you at your work, because people usually put the right word in the recommendation, and anyone who's looking at your profile, if he goes through your recommendation, he will get a fair understanding of who you are, how you operate, and how you have been working in the past organization, how has been your results, and that's about it. So these are the things. After that, there is language, so you can update this as well. These are the languages that I am proficient with, so I have put in the information about English, Hindi, and Urdu. So this is about it. There's nothing very difficult in this to do. You need to simply be a little bit consistent with your profile, and at the same time what you need to simply do is you need to make sure that all the information that is required is completely filled. You need to go into each and every section, check what is pending, and you need to update that piece of information. So at the end of this video, there are 2 bonus tips that I want to give to you. One is that one thing is very important on LinkedIn. You can say it is important over any platform that you use: consistency. So if you are consistent for 20-30 days, you are following new people, you are building new connections, and at the same time you are posting good relatable content that is useful for people. So in a period of very few days, what you will, people will start interacting with your post, people will start visiting your profile, and eventually your profile will start to grow. So this is a very important thing. You have to be consistent. It doesn't matter आप 5 मिनट 10 मिनट कुछ भी दो, but you have to give 5-10 minutes at least to your LinkedIn account daily if you are really serious about your professional career ahead. And at the same time, the second tip is create a job alert. A lot of people use LinkedIn but they don't know that they can create a job alert. आप सिंपली जॉब में जा करके वहाँ पे एक अलर्ट सेट कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन सा प्रोफाइल का कौन सा लोकेशन का जॉब चाहिए, एंड बाय दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग ईमेल्स एंड नोटिफिकेशन कि whenever there is a hiring or whenever there is a vacancy, you will be the first person who will be notified about that, and you can apply for that job quickly. So that is going to help you a lot. So that was it about the video. If you think this video was helpful, you can certainly share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.